Next is structure of file and directory. We have the following structure. We consider this structure and is a common structure for both directory and file. And these are the fields in the structure: name, file count, two links, one is for the directory and other is for the file, location, type, whether it is an F or a D, whether it is file or directory, size, created on permissions. So name will be the name of the file directory. File count is 1 plus the total number of files inside a directory for the directory, and for a file it's just 1. The count will be just 1. Location, directory in which it is stored. Type, whether it is a file or directory. Size, the assumption for directory, the size is 1 KB and the files can be of any size. So when you have the total directory, we have to add all the files inside the directory. The size of the directory is 1 KB. Then specify rate on which the file was created. Then permissions, whether it can be read, written or executed. These structures consider in this experiment: level, two-level, hierarchical. Single level is where there's only one directory and all the files are inside this single directory. Two-level, we have more than one directory. That is why we have more than one boxes in the image. And in each box there are certain circles. That means there are certain files. Then hierarchical, it is a combination of directory inside directory or directory or a file inside directory. It can be any. In single level, this is the structure. This is the directory, root directory. This is ABC and two files. Each file has a count of 1, and then the root directory has the count 3 because it contains two files plus its own count, so 3. Then the size also, again, the size of all the files inside the directory is 1 KB, 21 KB. And then we have to see whether we read the file notes. No, because note is not there. Create the file test. Create since it already exists. Search the file ABC. Yes, we can search, and then we have to print what is there in the ABC, and then delete the file ABC. So after deleting, what will happen to the directory? That we have to print in the delete command. So the count will change and the size of the directory will change. This is two-level. In two-level, you can see main directory and secondary directory, two directories. Each directory will have a set of files. Again, the count and the size has the normal convention that we have already said earlier. We have the file hello.txt main directory, so we have to delete this file and print the files of this directory. Then create the file hello.txt in secondary. So we have to go to secondary, and if there is no such file.hello.txt, then we can create one file. Then update the parameters. Create file haha.image in secondary. We do that? No, because there's already one image such as haha.image. Then search file haha.image, you have to print all the possible results. So it is there in main directory and it's also there in secondary. So we have to print both the results. Its date created, its permissions, etc. Next is hierarchy. In hierarchy, here you can see main directory and secondary, two such directories. In main directory, there is another directory called ABC and also a file called hello.txt. In secondary, there is a single file called ABC. Here the input commands are create the file CDE in ABC in main directory. So it will be file link of ABC. It will be the file link of ABC. Delete file hello.txt from main directory. Again, when we delete the file, we show the updated values of main directory parameters. Then search the file ABC. We have to all the possible results of search operation. That is why we have here we have only one file, not a directory. We are searching a file here. So there's only a single file named ABC. The other ABC is a directory here. So that's why we only the result of file ABC is found. The structure of directory and files.